Good morning everyone, myself Rohit Kushwaha. Today we will discuss about some basics as like distance, displacement, velocity and some etc. Now see here, there is two things. Number first, distance, and number second, displacement. And what is distance and what is displacement? Suppose you want to go from this point to this point. There are many paths. Suppose you will go from this path, that means path first, or from this path, path second, or from this path, path third, or from this path, path fourth. That means when you go from any point to any point at any path, then the total length of the path is known as distance. The total length of the path is known as length. And displacement, suppose if you want to go from there to there, A to B, there are many ways, but the least distance or spacing between these 2 points, the least that means kam se kam, the least distance from A to B is known as displacement. See here, any distance any length between 2 points of the path is known as distance, and the least or minimum distance between 2 points is known as displacement. In here you can see that there is no direction. You can go or you will go in any direction from A to B. That means distance is a scalar quantity. But in displacement, if you go from A to B, then you will have to go in this particular direction. That means displacement is a vector quantity. Understand? And in unit time, the covered distance is known as speed, and the displacement covered in unit time is known as velocity. Hence speed is also a scalar quantity and velocity is also a scalar quantity. The unit of distance, SI unit of distance is meter, and displacement also meter, and the SI unit of speed is meter per second, and the SI unit of velocity is also meter per second. Thank you.